In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I actually got over 1,000 leads in just 3 days without spending money. Hey, hello, my name is Ana Castillo and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how I was actually able to earn 1,000 23 leads in just 3 days without spending money. And this is going to be 100% based on my experience. Since I got started, I was able to replace not one, but two full-time jobs. And also I was able to pay my debts because of my digital business. That's the reason why I actually create this YouTube channel. So I'm sharing information with people and you can replicate it if you want. If not, well, you know that you're gonna have more knowledge than before. So I'm gonna be sharing with you how I was actually able to get 1,023 leads in just 3 days. As you can see here, on the best day, I got over 600 leads, 612. Here I got over 100, and here I got almost 400 leads. Okay, so the total is 1,023 leads in literally just 3 days without spending any money. The possibilities that we have nowadays are actually amazing. So why are leads so important? This is something that you guys need to take into consideration. Leads are extremely important because those are the ones who are going to be turning into buying customers, in paid customers, and we need to understand that on the other side of the screen, there is a person, there is someone who is looking to get more information about something, who is doing, some kind of research, who is just having fun with their cell phone. And chances are that people are not ready to make the purchase. I don't understand why, but a lot of people do love what I call the hit and miss strategy. That means, and most of the time they do it with pay ads. They invest some money and then they send what we call traffic, the eyeballs, directly to the sales page. And then people get frustrated because they are like, no, this is actually not working, blah, 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 yada, yada. But the thing is that you need to understand that as you, that right now are watching a YouTube video, chances are that you are not like, hey, you know what? I'm going to watch everything that show up while I'm using my cell phone or my computer, while I'm using the internet. I'm going to make a purchase. It's not like that. So it's the same here. It's not like that. It's not like you are going to be making the purchase. Chances are, that you might be interested, but you get distracted. Life happen. You don't have the money right away. Maybe you are listening to these videos on audio format. Things happen. And the same with other people. And we don't want to leave money on the table. I'm going to be talking more about that in a moment. So, how do you monetize them? Well, the very first thing that you can actually do is like with any other business, you can create your own product, you can deliver your own service, or you can do what I'm actually doing, which is called affiliate marketing. Basically, what I'm doing is I'm promoting other people's products and services in exchange for a commission. More than 80% of the companies do have what we call an affiliate program. Companies like Amazon, Adidas, Walmart, Target, Best Buy, you name it, they do have it. You can also find these companies on what we call marketplaces, such as Impact. Here you can see some of the companies that they partner with. I'm pretty sure that you already know about it. There is also another marketplace in this one. It's mostly with high ticket products, which is called Cope Card. Okay, here on Cope Card, as I told you before, you can find high ticket products that you can actually promote. There is also another marketplace that is called AWin. With AWin, you can also partner with companies that are really popular. You can be here an affiliate partner, and I'm pretty sure that you identify some of these companies. As I told you before, this is a really popular business model, and there are a lot of benefits. Like, for example, when I was doing this, as I told you before, I have two full-time jobs. So when I got started, I didn't have a lot of time. So I tried, and I tell you this, I tried to create my own program, my own product, but it took me like 6 months. I got zero sales. So now what I'm doing is that I'm promoting other people products and services, products that people are going to buy anyway. I do not process the payment. I do not deal with customer service, with tech support. I do not ship the product. It's a physical product, the one that I'm promoting, or I do not deliver a product. If this is a digital product, the one that I'm promoting. So there is a lot of benefits, and there are companies that pay you like 50% commission, 80% commission, and there are others that pay you like even 100% on the very first sale. So which are the things that you need? First of all, you need what we call a lead magnet. These are some example of lead magnets. It can be a guide, it can be a PDF, it can be a training video, mini course, templates, checklists, resources or tools, case studies, webinars. And the cool thing is that you don't need to create this. Most of the company, they are like, okay, you're interested in promoting my product, you're interested in promoting my service. Okay, here's the lead magnet that you can actually use. Okay, but if for some reason there is a product that you would like to recommend, but you cannot do not have like a lead magnet, you can use your favorite AI tool nowadays, like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Claude, and you can tell them like, hey, this is the product that I'm gonna promote. This is the audience that I'm targeting. Can you give me some example of some lead magnets that I can use to promote this product? They're gonna give you some ideas, even with titles and everything. You can do the brainstorm with them. You can develop the entire lead magnet with them. It doesn't need to be over something super over complicated. Just pure information. With that said, we need a traffic source. The formula that I'm using to create my content is that I have a problem and then I show the solution. So nowadays, we know that people are on social networks. They are like on Instagram, they're on TikTok, YouTube, they're checking their Facebook account. They might be on Pinterest, they might be reading a blog, they might be on website like Quora, Medium.com, etc. Okay. But what most people do is that they are like, okay, I'm going to choose one traffic source and just one traffic source only. So let's say that they create one video, and don't worry, you don't have to show your face. You don't even need to be on the camera, and you're going to be like, okay, one video, one traffic source. That's it. But in my case, my strategy is like, okay, I'm going to create this thing, one video. It can be a 5 to 7 second videos. I don't need to show my face if I don't want. I don't need to talk if I want. And I multiply it by 4. So this is 4x, because this same content, I put it on Instagram, I put it on TikTok, I put it on YouTube, I put it on Facebook, and even can put it on Pinterest. So instead of, let's say that with one video you got 1,000 views, 1K, I'm gonna put it here. Here I'm gonna force X that is gonna be 4,000 views. But this is the cool thing, that maybe you upload that video to Instagram and it didn't perform well, but TikTok love it. YouTube love it. And with the algorithm with YouTube, it actually takes time. So it's not gonna go like viral, and I'm not looking for virality. I'm looking for people who are actually interested in solve the problem that I can help them solve. Okay, so maybe this is not going to be 4,000. It can be even 10,000 views or even more, just by doing this strategy. Okay, because there is always a social media platform that love your video. So another thing that you need is a system. Okay, and you don't need to be like a designer or coder or anything like that. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying so far, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. And if you want to learn about my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. So how do you actually create a system? Well, in this system, since we already have the lead magnet, we're going to tell them like, hey, I'm having something for free. You can put your name, your email address. Then you can do what we call a bridge page, and we are going to be doing it like an introduction to the product, and then we are going to be send them to the offer. The cool thing about this system is that if the person is ready to make the purchase, they're going to be purchasing and we're going to be happy. But if they are not ready for whatever reason, we can keep promoting that same product. And this is something that is going to be doing it automatically. This is the reason why I was able to replace two full-time jobs because I was able, to configure this just once. And this system is actually working for me 24/7. Even right now, it's working for me 24/7. If the person make the purchase, hey, remember that we're not going to be leaving money on the table. So you can promote all their products, you can promote all their services, because if they're interested in solving the problem and they don't want that product, maybe they already have it, hey, they might be interested in other offers as well. And if for whatever reason they make the purchase, why not? They're going to be buying other products as you're doing. I'm talking this based on experience. When I purchase something, it's not like, hey, that's it. I'm not going to be purchasing anything else. Okay, if there is something else that I'm interested, you're going to be making the purchase. So something really important, don't forget when you're creating your content, to have the call to action. Okay, don't forget the call to action. The call to action is actually extremely important because people need to know what the next step, what they need to do after they watch the video, they read the blog post, they check on the pin on Pinterest. Okay, what's next? Linked bio, comment XYZ word, subscribe, my case here, subscribe to the channel, you know, uh, comment XYZ word, what they need to do. If they need to dial, because that's the way you're doing it, hey, tell them exactly what they need to do so you can get the best results. And this is basically what I did in order to earn 1,000 leads in literally just 3 days without spending any money. So if you're enjoying this content, give me a thumbs up. Remember, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, share this content with someone you think he or she might be interested, and I see you guys on the next video.